Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable DCR on your TCL 27G64. So first, what we want to do is we want to click on the white button that is right here, close to the TCL sign. Now we need to swipe left to open up the menu, and here go to the display. Here we will have the DCR, and now we can enable it by toggling on the switch. As you guys can see, now the contrast disappeared and we won't be able to use the contrast. Whenever we turn it off, we will be able to change it. But that's basically what we can do. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.